Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to make Syncfusion's Blazor charts more interactive by adding tooltips to them. Look at this example, where a column series chart is showing the different medals won by different countries in the Olympic Games. Here, you can easily interact with the chart and get more information about these data points in a tooltip by moving the mouse over specific data points. Now, let me show you how to write the code to add and customize tooltips in Blazor Charts. To do this, I will open an existing Blazor application, where I have already added a simple Blazor chart with basic chart properties in one of the previous video. Here, you can see two-column series chart, bound with Olympic data source. If you had like to watch that video, follow the link provided in the card, to learn the basics of creating a Blazor app. You can also find a reference link in the description below. Now, I will run this example by pressing F5. Here, you can view the Blazor column chart with Olympic data. Next, I will show how to add tooltips to the chart. Within the chart code, I will define a chart tooltip settings tag. To enable the tooltip, let me define an enable property and set its value as true. In the tooltips, I am going to display data point information clearly, so I will define the property name and set series values to it. See the output with a tooltip shown for every data point of the chart. Next, I am going to show how to format the tooltip content to show the data point information in a more customized style. To format the tooltip, first I will define the property format and assign the value like this. I am going to show a header in the tooltip, so let me add a header property with the value medals. Here, you can view the chart output, which displays the tooltip with series information for every point. Now, I will format the tooltip using an HTML template. To do that, first I need to remove the existing tooltip properties and define the template tag within this chart tooltip settings section. I am planning to show tooltip information in table format, so let me define the table structure using HTML table tags. To access the chart data information here, let me define a variable named data and convert the context as chart tooltip info class. Now, I will assign data source value x and y through data variable. Here, I will apply some CSS styles to customize the table structure in the tooltip. Now when you look at the chart output, you can see the tooltip displayed with the custom table design. Alright, finally, I am going to show you how to customize and enhance the look of tooltip, using the fill and border options of the tooltip. Here, the fill option is used to customize the background color, and border is used to set the border width and color. I am planning to set the border for the tooltip, therefore, I will remove the template section from the chart code. Then, I will add the chart tooltip border tag with the properties width and color. For these properties, I will set an appropriate border color and width. See the chart tooltip displayed with custom border width and color. And that's it. Let me summarize the main points we discussed in this tutorial. We have seen how to add tooltips to the Syncfusion Blazor charts, and also how to format the tooltip content with both HTML and custom template values. Also, we discussed how to enhance the look of the tooltips by adding borders to them. If you would like to see a working example of the charts in this video, you can download it from the GitHub link in the description below. I have also provided a link in the description, where you can see if you qualify for a free license key to use our Blazor products through our community license. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.